Hi guys, how can you create the glass refraction effect in Photoshop? First of all, unlock your main image layer. Go to Adjustment Layers, Solid Color. Choose White Color and press OK. Turn off the main image layer for now. Go to the Shape tool and draw a rectangle shape. Open the setting. Gradient type, linear. Around 180. Select the Move tool. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the rectangle shape layer. Hold Alt and drag to create copies also you can. Hold Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to repeat shapes quickly. Create multiple vertical shapes across the canvas. Once done, go to File, Save As. Save this file as a PSD file and press OK. This PSD will be used as a texture. Now you can hide or delete the shape layers. Turn on the main image layer and drag it to the top. Convert the main image layer into a smart object. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Distort, Glass. Click Load Texture and select the PSD file you saved earlier. Delete the old texture if needed. Now adjust these settings. Distortion around 2. Smoothness around 1. Scaling between 50-57. 50 usually gives a cleaner look. Press OK. That's it. This is how you can create the glass refraction effect in Photoshop.